You know, it's a labor of love. I love doing this channel and I love giving you whiskey reviews. So I really didn't want to deprive you of the Advent Calendar series. It's not exactly the same experience as pulling the bottles out of the Flaviar Advent Calendar box, but I have to cut these out of my packing material because I don't have my box with me. It was too big to fit in the suitcase. I needed to get the bottles here so I could do this for you. I've got a non-Glencairn class here. I think I have day 3. Yes, I do. I have day 3's bottle right here. So let's do this. Welcome to Whisky Riffs. I'm Kevin. Thank you for stopping by. This is my Italian special edition of the Whiskey Advent Calendar. I'm in Palermo on the island of Sicily in Italy, and this is day 3. I haven't looked at the bottle. I'm trying not to cheat. I'm trying to do these a little bit blind as much as I can after cutting them out of a bubble bag. First 2 days were not to my liking. They were more rye. Well, yesterday was a rye whiskey. Right now, I'm on day 3. And this is a very different note than day 1 or day 2. In fact, I'm very confused by day 3. Very light color, but it doesn't exactly smell like a scotch. I'm missing those malty notes. Or if they are down in there, they're down there deep. I'm getting a little bit of leather note, maybe a little bit of citrus. Wow, that's really spicy. That's ultra spicy. It's not rye spicy. It's a wood spice, very heavy wood spice on it. I wonder if this is a blend of some sort, because it just doesn't taste like a single malt. I wonder if this is a product of India or something that is a Scotch style whiskey, but really isn't Scotch. Let's see if I got anything right. Well, it's a Scotch whiskey from Scotland. 47% ABV. Let me look it up in the app. See what we got here. Flaviar has a nice app for looking up all this information. I've done day 1 and day 2, up to day 3 right now. Let me tap on that. Oh, it's going to compare them. Each day it's asking me, how did you like the whiskey? Not my ball of wax on this one, -1. So it was kind of a thin taste, more one note than anything else, and just kind of all wood spice for me. And now it tells me to A/B these and tell me which one I like better. So compared to day 2 or day 1, I'll give day 3 the advantage, a little bit of an advantage. Revealing day 3. This is Prologue, batch number 2, a blended Scotch malt whiskey. So at least I got the blended part right. It didn't seem like it was a single malt whiskey. Their tasting notes are fruit, apple, apricot, floral, citrus. Maybe I am just a little off of my whiskey tasting because I've been drinking wine more than whiskey lately. So that could be it. I mean, you have to practice tasting whiskey to get good at it. This is not just magic, or it's not some skill that you're born with. It's like any other skill. You learn it by doing it over and over again. And if you skip tasting whiskey for 3 weeks or more, you're probably not going to taste the same notes you did when you were drinking whiskey day after day. Getting consistent whiskey flavors is really a tricky thing. That's why distillers are so important in the process, because the wood, the age, the location, everything affects whiskey, and they're pointing that out up front. It says that it's a blend of Speyside and Highland single malts that were aged in ex-bourbon barrels. The whiskeys are aged between 4 and 8 years, and 6,000 bottles were yielded, which is not a lot of bottles. It's, when you're talking about how many bottles come out of a big brand whiskey distributor, 6,000 is nothing. I think I'll pass on this one. Let me know in the comments if you ever had this whiskey, if you're into Prologue, if you're into the blended whiskeys. Until tomorrow, take care of yourself. Take care of those people around you. And cheers.